Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a number. First, open your phone's contacts application. This is usually represented by an icon resembling a person or a small address book. Locating the correct contact is your initial step. We'll walk through finding the specific entry you wish to remove. This ensures you only delete the intended information, keeping your contact list organized and accurate. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Once you're in your Contacts app, you'll see a list of all your saved numbers. Scroll through this list until you find the contact you want to delete. It might be helpful to use the search bar if you have many contacts. After locating the correct entry, simply tap on its name. This action will open the contact's detailed information page, where you can view all associated data, like phone numbers and email addresses. This is a crucial step before proceeding. On the Contacts Detail page, you'll need to find the option to delete. This is commonly found by tapping an Edit button or by looking for a menu icon, often 3 vertical or horizontal dots. Tapping this menu usually reveals several options, including Delete or Delete Contact. Sometimes, after tapping Edit, you'll find the Delete Contact button at the very bottom of the editing screen. Take a moment to locate this important function. After selecting the Delete option, your phone will almost always ask for confirmation. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. A pop-up message will appear, typically asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this contact?" or something similar. Carefully read this message to ensure you are indeed deleting the correct entry. Once you are certain, tap Delete or Confirm to finalize the process. The contact will then be permanently removed from your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.